Hello, good afternoon and welcome to the AFL Auto Blends 3D Car Creations channel. In this video I want to continue in describing what I've done on the Mercedes G Wagon build. As you can see on the screen, I've got the blueprints loaded up into Blender. This is the rear view and then the side view. Press 3 for the side view. Okay, so there's the side view. What I did first off was create a guide mesh, which is to the basic shape of the bumper, as you can see in the outline there. Okay, so that's the guide mesh. Once I created that, if I hide that, I created an inner guide mesh, which is the recessed part of the back bumper. Essentially you need two guide meshes to create this. I found that to be the easiest way. So if I hide that, so by using the guide meshes, I actually came up with the results. This is the results I'd done. You're able to cut holes in, create the reversing sensors as so, and the bumper strap and the under bumper. Very pleased with it. As you can see, it's fairly smooth. So when I add it to the rest of the car, add the rest of the car to it, as you can see, it's started to take shape now. This has taken me far longer than I really wanted, because I am following a tutorial, but it will all be worth it in the end. So to date, this is the model so far. Again, I'm extremely happy with it. Just as a note, really, if you want to get into this wonderful hobby, Blender is open source software and free. So all this you can use with, as long as you got a computer, you got the right you got the tools for the job really on this, and you can do what you like. Essentially then, if you wanted to customize this vehicle once you've created it, it's fairly simple compared to the real thing, where it's far more difficult in metal, but in 3D world it's quite easy to do. Anyway, please smash a like below, and also hit the little bell if you want notifications of when I produce more videos. Thank you for watching.